Making healthy juice for your family is easy using this Ottal slow juicer. In this video, we'll show you the complete process of installing and preparing your slow juicer for the first time use. First, install the filter to secure into place. Next, put the screw shaft into the center of the filter bracket. Attach the feeding cap. Make sure to align the triangle symbol on the container with the unlock symbol of the juicer. Place the juice cap under the juice outlet and the pulp cap under the pulp outlet. Now, your slow juicer is ready to use. Turn on the juicer using the power switch. Add your cut fruits one piece at a time. Use the push rod to gently press the fruits. Close the juice outlet after juicing to prevent any dripping. Start juicing for your family's health today. Contact us to learn more about the product.